Welcome back. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this because, well, I'm gonna undo, what else do I have to do? This one and these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just start. I need a flat. Oh, I can put them back in this. When did I do these? Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put them back in here because we got a lot going on the mat. There's a lot going on, so just gonna flip them because I need to, once I'm done flipping them, I need to go over it and add the color to the dots. I really love this. Where did that come from? My phone ran out of space while I was unmolding, but here we are. Just get these past few out. And that's that. I might as well get this one too while I'm at it. Ooh. Everything feels so soft today. That feels soft, but whatever. So we got this, and then we got our dominoes. So I'm gonna go over them now with the final layer and get the dots on. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, the website, the crafts page, all of the things. And just like everything else here, we do pointless talks, pointless creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.
So after I finished flipping over all of the dominoes that I made, I had to make the dots for the numbers. So I mixed up some gold because, of course, it's supposed to be a gold and white something. And I still needed to make the rest of the box. Now, as I'm mixing, I realized that the white is not the same shade. So I'm like, you know what? One side, either the top, the bottom, or one of the sides is going to be a different shade of white. And then the little inserts on the edges. So I was like, whatever, I don't care. I'm mixing it anyways. It's gold and white at the end of the day, right? So I got my gold. I'm dripping them into the little holes so we can get our numbers situated. And I pour the white. And then I have some extra left over. So I did like a little spitch patch, something on that. So it looked kind of, Anyways, this is me trying to put the box together with a hot glue gun because the instructions did not exist. And I looked on YouTube. I looked on TikTok. I looked all over. I looked on the post where I buy something from, and it just wasn't working. I don't know why I left this recording this whole time, but I went to go find an next glue stick and tried to glue it some more. It did grieve me. I don't like it. And, at the end of it, I'm going to use this as something else. I'm going to repurpose this because the glue don't look good to me and it wouldn't hold.